Right now, you're feeling anxious. It's hard to breathe. You feel your body being tight and tangled up inside. You don't feel peaceful at this moment in time. But you want to take control of that. You have the power to change your emotion, the power to change what you're feeling inside. Breathe deeply. Make a decision. Make a decision that you're going to try and calm your body, soothe your mind, and give peace to the cells that give you life. To do this, you're going to find a place that is comfortable, where you can relax your body and close your eyes. Find that peaceful place. Close your eyes and focus on your deep breath. As worries start to enter your mind, imagine a giant broom coming to sweep it away, to sweep it out of the way. You don't need it right now. Take a deep breath in. Fill your body with air. Feel your belly expand as your lungs press deeper and deeper into your belly as it fills with air. Imagine the oxygen going into each cell soaking it up bit by bit. Now, as you exhale, imagine all of the toxins that are in the bottom of your lungs going out of your body, out into the air and up into space, away from you. Breathe in life, oxygen, peace, comfort. And breathe out stress, worries. Push them out. All of the toxins in your body, push it out. Get it out of there. As your body takes in this oxygen and expels all of the bad stuff that has entered into your day today, let it all go. Imagine your worries going with all of the toxins. This worry, that worry, out, gone. Breathe in life, peace, comfort. Imagine things that give you peace. Whether it be a smell or a sight or a feeling. Imagine those things that make you happy. Allow that good feeling to enter your body as the oxygen comes and brings more life to your cells. Fill yourself. Fill it with peace. Fill your body with happy feelings, happy memories. Things that give you strength. Things that give you hope. Let it enter your body with each breath you take. Get every last bit of crud and grime out of the bottom of your lungs. Blow it out. Those things that have been interfering with your health, stress, worries, blow them away. You can deal with them later. Right now, you need to heal. You need to recover to be able to deal with every situation in life. Recovery is so important. Resting. When you sleep, that's when your body heals. When you're resting, all of the cells come and start rejuvenating. They bring life. They bring healing. Let your body feel it. Embrace it. Embrace this moment of peace. Feel your breath. As you breathe in, you feel the muscles in your body start to relax from your head, the top of your head, down around your ears and your temples, your face. You feel it soften. It feels rested. Your mouth. Move your lips around. Feel your muscles loosening around your jawline. Don't hold it tense. Let it relax. If your eyes are squinting or you feel tension around your eyes, imagine a warm washcloth laying over them. Soften your eyes. Let them feel relaxed. Soften your cheekbones. Imagine loose shoulders and a loose neck. No tension, peace. Wiggle your shoulders a little. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine your shoulders relaxing and opening, giving your chest more space. Imagine your rib cage opening when you take a deep breath in. And when you exhale, your ribs are pushing. Your diaphragm is pushing up. Your ribs are closing. You feel mobility. You can feel every rib moving as you take your breath. Your spine starts to loosen, all of those tense muscles in your shoulders and your rib cage and around between your shoulder blades and your back, around your neck. You feel them start to soften. As you take deep breaths in, you blow out all of that tension and stress. Blow it out. Get it away from you. You don't need it right now. Now you are filling your body with life, healing, power. You have the power to change your thoughts. If you let a negative thought go round and round and round in your head, you're only rebuilding that thought over and over again. Push it away. If it comes in, say, "Get out. I have something else to think about." Think about a positive thing in its place. Think about something that will give you strength. Don't let those negative thoughts beat you up. You don't have to be a thought punching bag. Don't beat yourself up this way. Let the anxiety go. You don't need it. What good is it doing you? Is it making your life better? Does the anxiety really help you? No. You know it doesn't. What will help you? Thinking about situations with a clear mind. Thinking about them from multiple perspectives. If you're worried, you can't think clearly. The mind doesn't allow you to do so. But a peaceful approach, clearing your thoughts, allowing yourself to see situations from multiple angles, can help you gain perspective. Gaining perspective gives you strength. Having knowledge, having understanding is power. Sometimes it's hard to know the truth about everything in life. Sometimes life is so challenging that it feels like we just can't win. But that's when it's time to rejuvenate, refill, take a moment to recognize what is worth holding on to. Take a moment to recognize what is worth reaching towards. What direction can you go that can actually bring a smile to your face? That true happiness from inside. No one knows these answers for sure. We discover life as we experience it. Human beings make mistakes. Sometimes human beings have the best of intentions and make mistakes anyway. How do we decrease the negative thoughts that keep us in this negative pattern? How does it happen? By making a conscious decision to say, I am going to change my thought habits. My thought habits can change, and I have the power to do that. First, I can recognize if these things that are worrying me or threatening my health and well-being, are they real threats or are they imagined threats? Once I measure these things that are harming my peace, once I evaluate it, do I have any tools that I can use to overcome the obstacles? My biggest ally right now is my health, my well-being. It starts with me being able to calm myself, to gain insight, to give myself rest, to allow myself a sense of comfort, a sense of peace. Breathing deeply, recognizing these things, softening the shoulders, opening up the chest, and letting your heart open. Open for peace, open for comfort, open for rest, not allowing anything else to get in the way right now. Right now is your time. This minute, right this second, is for you. Keep on breathing. Keep absorbing that life-giving oxygen. Feel as your body starts relaxing into your breath. Feel it go down into your diaphragm, into your belly, and your digestive system. If you feel all torn up inside, like you can't eat, your stomach hurts, imagine your stomach relaxing with your breath, and that as the oxygen comes into your body, it's feeding every cell, allowing your stomach and your digestive system to work more fluidly, more efficiently. Your blood bringing wonderful oxygen to all of your cells and carrying away all the yuckies and the nastiness. As you feel your breath, imagine your hips relaxing. If you feel pain or tension in your back or your hips, imagine your breath going to each cell and those places where you feel pain or tension, that when you exhale, it's blowing out the pain and the tension from each and every cell in your body, so that you start feeling every sense of relaxation that you can from each breath you take. Your breath is your life. Your breath brings oxygen to your whole body. Your brain works better, your heart, your cells, everything works better when you learn how to breathe in and take in that peaceful calmness of your breath, in thinking about getting rid of all of the toxins and the things that stress or worry you. As you feel the relaxation going through your body, imagine it in your thighs and in your knees, your lower legs, ankles, feet, and your toes. Wiggle your fingers, stretch out your hands, rotate your wrists. Feel your body become more flexible as you breathe. Feel your nutrients going to each cell, and feel the toxins exiting away from you. Breathing in, smelling the roses, blowing out like you're blowing 100 candles out. That deep, deep breath, letting it fill the center of your body. As you sit relaxed, think only of things that give you peace. Allow no other thought to enter your mind. If a thought tries to enter, push it out. The broom sweeps it as soon as it comes. Get it out of there. In peace, just focus on your breath in and out. in and out. Let your body rhythms take over. Feel comfort. There is hope for the future. If you approach it with a clear mind, wisdom, knowledge, power. There's power in peace. In and out. In and out. In and out. In and out.